Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Shop Pay on your Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify admin page and then click on the settings button. After going on the settings button, click on the payments button. And now click on the payment provider button. And then click on the manage button. So here you will see a Shop Pay option. Now you have to enable it. After enabling the Shop Pay option, click on the Save button. Now the Shop Pay is visible to you, is visible on your store. So that's how you will install Shop Pay on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.